I'm Natalie. I'm an engineer at Gridspace. Today I'm defining a SoftMax.
What's SoftMax? I heard about it on ycombinator.com/news, on
Should not be reading that.
/r/computer.
So let's start with the max. So let's say you have a classification problem where you're trying to classify different animals, and you show the model a picture of a lion. And maybe it has it's like a 5-vector output. To classify that model, you want to put that output through a max function. And what'll that return? It should return the value that corresponds to in the position that corresponds to lion, right? So let's say lion has an output of 20 and cat is close but not really there, 16, and dog is closer, maybe 17, I don't know. And then zebra is -1, so on and so forth. So that seems like a pretty good way to determine what the output of the max function seems like a good way to evaluate what the output of a model should be, right? The soft part corresponds to the fact that this function is differentiable. And because in machine learning, we often use the tools of calculus, differentiability is a must in this case. Not only is it a differentiable function, it's a very easy to differentiate function. Hopefully we can put a little graphic of a SoftMax next to my head or something. Put it here, Kevin. Not only is it easy to differentiate, it takes all the values and puts them between 0 and 1, making them probabilities, whereas the values from before, 16, 17, -1, aren't quite there.
Why do we want them to be probabilities?
That's a great question. I think a good reason why they're probabilities is so they don't blow up. E to the 20 is massive.
Yeah.
So, and storing that is likely intractable, and you would never want to leave that up to the computer to store a value that large. So we normalize by dividing by the sum of all of those values. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any other terms you want us to define, put them in the comments. And if you want to know more about what we're doing at Gridspace, check out gridspace.com.